Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Bilal Lajbar, host, and today we are going to study articles. Welcome to lectures English with Balaya. Today we are going to discuss articles. There are only three articles. The first A, the second and okay, we are going to learn what they are and how do they play their part in making full sentences using articles. So articles can be used in a simple way, okay, like it can be used as an adjective modify nouns. Now whenever we use articles to modify nouns, so they are not taking the place of adjectives, but they are right before the adjectives. First there are articles, there's a slot for adjectives, and then there is a slot for nouns. So sometimes we can just not write adjectives and write articles with a noun in place of adjectives. So it is basically just like adjective. That's why we call it an adjective. Okay? But they're articles. Now English has two articles. First one is the, second one is a or an. They can be used instead of each other. These used to refer to specific or particular nouns, while a and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call definite article and any definite articles. So you should know that over on this place we have got the, which is the definite article, and an, which are the. For example, if I say let's read the book, I mean a specific book. If I say let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific. Supposedly, if I say let's read the book, so you would have known what we are talking about here. Like the book will be known to the listener and the speaker both at the same time because it might have been discussed in the earlier sentence. While we are discussing it for the first time when we say a book. So they are not specific book, could be any. Here's another way to explain it. These used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. For example, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. There are many movies, but only one particular movie is the most popular. Therefore, we have used. Now, the and movie have got two adjectives popular, which are also talking about the movie. Because of these two adjectives, the movie is specified. It doesn't remain the common movie. It has been specified now, okay? Because we know that there could be only one movie which will be popular throughout the year. Yes, that's why we have used the. An is used to refer to a non-specific or non-particular member of a group. For example, I would like to go see a movie. Now, when I say I would like to go see a movie, so it could be any movie. Okay? Here we are not talking about a specific movie. We are talking about any movie. There are many movies, and I want to see any movie. It could just be a movie. I don't have a specific one. Normally, we use a and n to refer to something for the first time. For example, we went to a museum in Paris. We ate at the museum. Now, this museum is a specific one because it is in Paris, we know from the, and it is the one we went to. So we ate at the museum. Now, when we say the museum, so it is the museum in Paris. Understood? Indefinite articles A and A. A and N signals that the noun modifies is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. Now, just wants a dog. Okay, any dog. This refers to any dog. We don't know the dog, which dog, because we haven't found the dog yet. Okay. Somebody call a policeman. Now, when we say a policeman, this refers to any policeman. We don't need a specific policeman. We need any policeman who's available. When I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. an elephant. Here we're talking about a single non-specific thing, in this case an elephant. There are probably several elephants at the zoo, but there's only one we're talking about. That's why elephant. Remember, using A or N depends on sound that begins the next word. So, A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant like a boy, a car, a bike, a zoo, a dog. N should be used with a singular noun beginning with a vowel or a vowel sound. Okay, you should know. An elephant, an egg, an apple, an idiot, an orphan. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound like a user. Now, U, it has got the U sound over here. Let me tell you guys, this one is not a vowel sound because it is a year sound. It could be written by APA just like this, okay? It is a year sound beginning with a consonant year sound. So, a is used. So, whenever we are talking about a university, we will have to use a. Whenever we are talking about a unicycle, again, it has got the same sound, okay? The year sound. So it is not a vowel sound. That's why we will have to use an A over here. Remember that this rule also applied when you use acronyms like introductory composition at proved ICAP, handles first year writing at the university, therefore an ICAP, because that's a vowel sound. It starts with a vowel sound. That's why we have used an over here. Memo generally discusses issues. Okay, let's move on. If the noun is modified by an adjective, the choice between A and N depends on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the article. So you should know, guys, okay, whenever we are placing an adjective between the article and the noun, we will have to think specifically about this thing. That whenever we use an adjective, the article is going to be modified by the initial sound of the adjective. Like, look at this one. We're talking about an egg over here, but in the middle we have used an adjective that is explaining the egg. Yeah. So it starts with a b sound. That's not a vowel, it's a consonant. That's why we have used a over here, okay? A broken egg. An unusual problem. Now for the problem, if we were talking about it, we could have used a problem. But because the problem is being modified by the word unusual, which is adjective, we are going to follow the sound of the unusual, the initial sound, that is a. So that's why we have used an over here. Now let's talk about this one, a European country. Now we have used European over here with an A because it is not a vowel sound. Like if you look at it closely, you will see that it begins with a consonant j sound. Yes, university, European, yeah, all of these are the same. Remember too that in English, the indefinite articles are used to indicate memberships in a group. So whenever you're talking about memberships, you can use articles. Like I'm a teacher. For example, if I say I'm a teacher, this means that I'm a member of a larger group. Brian is an Irishman. Now whenever we say this, we mean that there are so many people who are Irish and Brian is a member of those people. Sika is a practicing Buddhist. Now, whenever we say that, we mean that Siko is a member of a group of people known as definite article D. Now we're talking about definite article. Okay, we have finished the talk about indefinite articles, but now we are definite. The definite article is used before the singular and plural nouns when the noun is specified or particular. These signals that the noun is definite, that it refers to a particular member of a group. Whenever we use the, it will mean that we are talking about a specific member of a group. Okay, so look out closely. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. Here we're talking about a specific dog. Now it's not a normal dog because this is the one that bit me. Okay, so here we're talking about a specific dog because it is the dog that bit me. So that's why we have used the with the dog. Yeah, at the start of the sentence. Okay, I was happy to see the policeman who saved my cat. Now, because this is again a specific policeman, this is the one who saved my cat. Here we're talking about a particular policeman. Even if we don't know the policeman's name, it's still a particular policeman because it is the one who saved the cat. I saw the elephant at the zoo. Now we're talking about one elephant over here. It might be at the zoo, but it's single elephant. Why? Because it might be a special one. Okay, here we're talking about a specific noun. Probably there's only one elephant at the zoo. Countable and non-countable nouns. Now we can use it with countable. Now how are we going to use them? He can be used with non-count nouns. Okay, if we are unable to count nouns, okay, or we don't count them, so we can use the with it, or the article can be omitted entirely, or just we can remove it from there. Okay, like I love to sail over the water. Now whenever you say the water, it means some specific body of water, like it could be Caribbean or Arabian Sea or Atlantic or something like that. So you should know that when you're using it with the water. Yeah, I love to sail over water. Now it means any water, you just love to sail. Okay, you're not specifying something. He spilled the milk all over the floor. Now this one is the specific milk. Okay, is some specific milk, because you might have brought it earlier for something, for cake or something like that. Okay, some specific milk perhaps you bought earlier that day. Okay, he spilled milk all over the floor. Now he's just giving us the information, not specifying anything. Okay, he's telling us that the milk has been. Okay, a and N can be used only with count nouns. Now, whenever you're talking about nouns, you cannot count them. So you put a countable noun over there through which you count it. Okay, like I need a bottle of water. Now, whenever you're talking about it, you will have to count the bottles. A bottle of water. Now, whenever you say it, you're not counting water, rather you're counting the bottles. Okay, I need a new glass of milk. Now you're not counting milk. You have not put the article with milk, rather you have put it with glass. Most of the time you can't say she wants a water because it's absurd. Okay, unless you're implying say a bottle of water, that will be fine. Geographical use of the. Now the can be used geographically. Okay, but you will have to not use it. Where? Now I'm telling you. Okay, the names of most countries and territories like Italy, Mexico, Bolivia, Howard, the Netherlands, the Dominican Republic, Philippines, the United States comes with the. Okay? Names of cities, towns, or states like Seoul, Manitoba, Miami. Names of streets like Washington Boulevard, Main Streets. Names of lakes and bays like Lake Titicaca, Lake Erie, except with a group of lakes like Great Lakes. Names of mountains like Mount Everest, Mount Fuji, except with the ranges of mountains like the Andes, the Rockies. Names like Matterhorns. You can use for them. You can use it with them, okay? Because these are exceptions. Okay? Names of continents like Asia and Europe. Names of islands like Easter Island, Maui, Key West, except the island chains like the Aleutian, right? The Canary Islands. Okay, you will have to use it. Do use it for now. You can use the okay. Names of rivers, oceans, and seas like the Nile, the Pacific. Whenever you're talking about, you use the over that. Points on the globe like the equator, the North Globe, the North Pole, the South Pole, whatever. Geographical areas like the Middle East, the West, deserts, forests, gulfs, and peninsulas like Sahara, the Persian Gulf, the Black Forest, the Iberian Peninsula. Don't forget the. Now you will have to use it with these words all the time, like the center, the top, the middle, the bottom, the left, the right, the end of, the beginning of, same, the best, the worst, the sun, the moon, the word, the sky, the sea, the ground, the country, the police, the fire brigade, the army, the piano, the guitar, the trumpet, the fluid, the radio. But television is going to be without the. The radio, yeah, the doctor, the toilet, the bank, the theater, the post office, the dentist, the cinema. Now we do not need to use E over here. Get them. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, go to work, get to work, be at work, start work, finish work, go to school, be at school, start school, leave school, go to university, be at university, go to church, be in church, go to bed, be in bed, go to hospital, be in hospital, go to prison, be in prison, go home, get home, arrive home, come home, walk home, leave home, be at home, stay at home. You cannot say stay at the home because Absurd. Omission of articles. Now, when can you omit your articles over here? You will have to see some common types of nouns that do not take articles are names of languages and nationalities like Chinese, Spanish, Russian. You cannot use the with the names of languages. Names of sports like volleyball, hockey, baseball, you cannot use cricket or volleyball or any of them. Names of academic subjects like mathematics, biology, history, computer science, you cannot use with academic subjects name. So that was the lecture for today. I hope you liked it. If you want, you can revise it for a couple of times so that you might know what we discussed over here and sum up the confusion with the article. Take care, bye bye. Bye. For more.